Welcome to stream number 44. I took long break and back again with new updates. We'll try to do more hands-on and also simultaneously share what I have done in last few days or what I am working on. So I'm hoping in upcoming days I will be more regular. We'll try to do daily vlog for data adopt, and if not that possible, then at least once in a 2 days, that is alternate days, I will try to do that. So let's jump into what I am working on nowadays. Just completed that project. So recently I have started working on learning R Shiny, and experience is great. Still learning that how different features to be used, and uh, like what we can do, create from those dashboard, like deployment and coding part, and with using GitHub part for R Shiny as well. We'll share more details in upcoming days. However, recently I have completed one project. I have started working on like learning R Shiny from this GitHub uh, R Shiny examples. So there was this part, so where we can upload document in directly in R Shiny. So I had this project where we need to create, like end users will update these columns, and from that I need to create a visualization chart where with filters there that like with filters it can be more interactive, so there was like quick information can be assessed from that uh, dashboard. So I had this template. Obviously I had removed this name and mobile number. Yeah. So this was column header is in Marathi, and I tried to updated that part in code, and this was also in Marathi. However, I have updated that part to English except name and mobile number, because this other numbers fee related details were in Marathi, but because of that there was issue in generating charts, so that I had to convert it into English. But for names and mobile numbers, it's okay to keep as it is, because it was not required in that charts part. So uh, mm, uh, before that I will show you this like how that reference dashboards look like. So this is the reference dashboard I use for from our Shiny example, where we can upload this document directly in our Shiny. Details will be available. So this is for CSV. I converted CSV file to Excel file and use that. Uh, so you can see here actual code. It is already also available. I have kept in my GitHub code, which you can refer. I will share link in description, so you can go through and you can also use that with modification. Please note that this code is only referring to this part. if those columns are not present in your document, then it won't work. Try to modify that part, specifically this one. Like, I have added this part, like uh, for columns name, instead of English I use sorry, instead of Marathi I use English name for that, so it will be okay to use during code. So this is the UI part, and this is server part, where I have renamed columns, then filter it inputs, part use. For visualization, uh, I used this code. There is a pie chart, then bar chart, different use. So it frankly, it was not possible for me to create this complex code. For me, it's complex code from R Shiny, because syntax is quite different different from like a regular one. It most of the time I get confused between UI and server part. So, and for this project, timeline was quite tight, so I what I use, I know what I wanted, and what things to need modification required, so I use VS Code, and with that use Copilot, both open chart and like chat part and Copilot edits. From that, with specific prompts, I am able to get detailed output. Most of the time I have to work on uh, rerun or re use, like uh, re again use a specific prompt for better output, and every time I had to use check that part in our studio, so it worked. And within uh, 2 days I'm able to get that output. So let's check how that output actually works. Okay, so here you can see, when we upload document, all details will be available here. This is the table for listing format. In data section, we also can toggle sidebar, which is I think not required now, because most of the details are available here. Earlier I thought I will use filters in column header itself, but it uh, it was like quite uh, that uh, interference was not quite good, so I use filter here. And here we can see charts, like what is the remaining fee, paid fee, previous pending fee, and fee distribution by standard, then overall fee status, then students per standards. Those details are available. For drill down, we can drill down by student's name. Obviously these are uh, changed, so here we can see in Marathi details of specific name of students will reflect here, also for mobile. But this thing, I think these are not required as much, but uh, basic filters required are pending fees. We can like check for which are the if any students have pending fee previous pending fee less than 0, we can have that details here, or specific uh, fee we can see here for these students, the previous pending fees. Also we can check for additional details with filter funds, and say after drill down we can clear filters here from here. A similar okay, it's not working for this part. I will update that. But however we can get like all details from here. So always we can keep tab, like if it's filter not working or working correctly. So that's it for today for this sub our shiny dashboard which I tried to create. The basic requirement for this chart, where they wanted details of each students with their details also as per standard, so we can use filter from this side. So that's it today for recently completed project for R Shiny, and let's meet next time with stream number 45, and we'll try to share more like updates from my side. Thank you.